Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, I'm Chef Michael with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making oven fried hash browns with lots of spices, garlic, onions to make a yummy brunch. Delish. I'm going to make hash browns in the oven. You can make them on the stove, but kind of makes a mess, so I'd rather do them in the oven. Now I've got my oven preheated to 450. It's really hot, okay? Got a nice non-stick pan I'm going to put them in. And what I did was I had some baked potatoes from the other evening. I got about 3 large baked potatoes in here. I just cut them in half and then quartered them, okay? They're already cooked, but I had cooled them off. So that's another thing you can do to repurpose baked potatoes. You can make home fries out of them. Now I've got some onion in here. I've got garlic in here, chili powder, cumin, coriander, some paprika, salt, pepper, and quite a bit of olive oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir this around. This is so easy, it's freaking scary. Okay, except for maybe the cutting up the vegetables. But you can do that the night before. You can cut the onion, put it in a container. You can cut the baked potatoes ahead of time. Now you can put some parsley in here for color, but I don't know what the point is because it doesn't really add any flavor. Sometimes after I make these, I'll stir in some cilantro because I like the flavor. Okay, so now look how easy that was. I stirred all the seasonings in. I'm going to put it over here. Put them in the pan. You want to try to make sure that you have a single layer. You can also do this on a heavy sheet pan as well, or double up a sheet pan and put it in the oven like this. I like it in here because this has got sides and it doesn't splatter all over the oven. So what I'm doing is I'm using the back of the spatula and I'm just patting it down. And look how nice this looks. Now I'm going to put this in this 450 degree oven for about 15 minutes. It's going to brown the potatoes, it's going to brown the onions, but once again, it's not going to make a mess on top of the stove. And I'll show you what that looks like with our breakfast this morning. Okay, and here we are, straight out of the oven. Oven fried hash brown. Didn't make a mess. And look at how nice and brown and yummy those hash browns look. Got a couple of eggs over easy and some turkey bacon for a yummy brunch. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please remember to stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.